All right, so another thing to cover with just general homeowner maintenance is your exterior doors are all going to have weather stripping just like this along the edges of the door frame. And that just creates a seal so that air and water and stuff like that can't easily make their way in or out when the door is shut. But just one thing to know is over time, as you open and close your doors more and more, and this stuff is exposed to the elements, it might eventually wear out, start to shrink up, that sort of thing. So we do want to show you how you would replace it if you ever need to at some point in the future. Okay, so the way that this works, this stuff, you just get a finger around it and then you can pull the material out. There's like a hard plastic end and that just fits in this channel that's cut in the door frame. And you can just kind of pull it straight out like this and out it goes. And then once you would get a new piece of weather stripping, you would just put it back the same way you took it out. So just the plastic end in first, and then you just kind of have to slowly push the hard plastic end into the slot until all the way down it's back in the door jamb like that.